Welcome. If you want to enter notification settings in your ZTE Axon 10 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now click on the notification and status bar, then go for the notification settings right here. You can change the dots and also manage the notifications on the lock screen right here. And we can also go for the all apps right here. We can change from the most recent to the most frequent, for example. And as you can see, we have 7 notifications per day from the Gmail, so right here we can permanently turn it off, and we can also do the same for the Gport. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.